Yeah, good. Good to have some of the senior guys back. Guys like Dale, Morley, Vernon, Hashim, and Faf. AB, captain's back. So good to catch up with them again. And we've had a good first session. Yeah, look, just to continuously tick all the boxes that we still have questions with. I suppose we also want to just finalise our pattern of play going under these conditions, and then also to make sure we get used to the conditions that we're going to be faced with. We've had some experience in the T20 games now, so hopefully we can learn some more stuff from the one-day series that we play under those same conditions. Yeah, look, historically the WAC has got a lot of pace and bounce. It maybe hasn't been as quick in the last couple of years as it has been historically. But we know Australia will probably want it to have a bit of pace and bounce, which might suit us as well. So we know that's probably what standard at the WACA is at the moment. A very good opportunity. Farhan's been outstanding in the domestic one-day competition in South Africa and thoroughly deserves his call-up. And Mashan's got a lot of X-factor. He bowls the ball mid 140s to low 150s consistently, so that's always an exciting prospect. Yeah, look, I suppose it's always important to try and test yourself against one of the best sides in the world and see where you are as a cricketing team. They've just come off a good series win in the one days against Pakistan, so we know that they're dangerous one day side. But look, we really want to focus on our performances and our games, and result is obviously important, but we want to make sure we finalise our structure and our patterns of play for when we get to the World Cup.